Hey miners, Mining King here. Today we're going to be building a GPU mining rig, but first let's hear a word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by HeroMiners Flux Pool, where until the end of September there are absolutely no mining or parallel asset fees. Also, your parallel asset fees are paid instantly with each unlocked block. Wait, there's more. HeroMiners is giving away 500 Flux to a lucky winner, so now would be a great time to mine Flux at HeroMiners.com. Details of the giveaway are in the description below. Due to the nature of Flux, a complete 0% fee results in 13% more earnings when compared to other Flux pools. You can check them out at flux.herominers.com. Come see firsthand what makes HeroMiners a great place to mine. So we got some risers from GPUrisers.com. We also got some of their really nice splitters here. They also sent me one of their new cables that they're partnering with the veteran miner guys. These cables are awesome. Be sure to go check these out at gpurisers.com. They also sent us a 4-to-1 splitter as well as a Omega frame right here. And we got some 120 mil case fans. So we got everything we need. We got the risers, the fans, the frame, the splitters. So let's go ahead and let's build this rig. Once again, thank you so much for gpurisers.com. There'll be a link down below. Go check it out, guys. Let's get into this build. Okay guys, so I have the frame built here and I have all the case fans screwed in here to the frame. This was it was really easy to put together. You really, everything kind of just, they had it labeled to left and right side, so worked out really nice. Really happy with how it turned out. I cable managed these as best I could, but with the frame being so long, you could see that some of the wires in the middle are starting to get stretched out. So that's just, this is their Omega frame, so I'm really excited to use this because I am going to be putting some GDDR6X cards on here. So I really would like to see how this case does with GDDR6X and how the cooling is and everything like that. So be sure to stay tuned to the end to see how well my cards do, as well as once again for the giveaway. So the next step is we're going to install the motherboard and the power supply in here, and then we'll have the frame ready to pretty much put the GPU and the risers in. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're back and I have the motherboard and power supply in, and they went in just perfectly here. You have to use one of these little tab pieces that comes with your frame here, but it works perfectly. So we got the 4 screws in there. Now the motherboard I am going with is going to be the ASRock Q270 Pro BTC. This is pretty much like the new version of the H110, but they're not just all lined up, so they staggered them. That way you don't have those connectors touching, having that issue. It also, right down here, it has the power and reset button. So this is like a new revision of the H110. It does have some nice features on it. So if you guys want to check it out, I've done a review on this board. I'll leave a link up in the card for you guys to check that out. So we went with the reason I went with the ATEX power supply. This is an EVGA 1300 watt. Is I wanted to be able to show you guys how to mount it. The server PSUs you're not going to be able to mount right here. So I just wanted to show you this. I'm probably going to end up just keep using this one since it's already in. No point taking it out. So let's go ahead and let's see what cards we're going to be putting in this rig. So we have the GPUs down. This is what I'm going to be putting in here for now. I am running this on 120. So I want to see how much wattage we're pulling collectively here. So as it is going to be my guest room, there might be a few other things being ran, so I need to take in consideration other things. So But let's go over the cards. So this was in my gaming rig, but I recently replaced it with a water-blocked 6900 XT. So this is an EVGA for the win 3080 Ti. And then we have the 3070 Ti that I got from Mr. Red Panda that has been autographed. We also got the 3070 Founders right here. We have an A2000. This is not shunt modded. And then we have another 3070 Founders. So I'm going to be putting the two cards that are GDDR6X. I'm going to be putting these on the I'm going to be putting them on the bottom shelf here, as I want them to you always put your hottest cards down first. That way the cards that are running cooler sit up here, you know, and let the heat rise and stuff like that. So let's go ahead, let's get the risers on, let's get these things plugged in, and let's see what this thing looks like when it's all booted up. All right, guys, we got the GPUs in. I spaced them out, every other one, to give them some optimum airflow. And man, dude, the spacing on this frame is really nice. Also, we are using the new 12 cap risers from GPUrisers.com, and I'm gonna say these things are really nice. They have the temperature here as well as the voltage, so I'm really excited to see how this works. So I have everything all plugged in here. The only thing we need to do is plug it into the wall, put Ethernet in it, and get this thing mining. All right, guys, so I had to use a server PSU. I had problems with the ATX, but I was doing some troubleshooting, and actually I believe that what happened is there's an issue with the BIOS. So I just had to take the battery in and out, redo some settings, and she hashed again. She's been sitting up in the closet for quite a few months, so not sure really what happened. But we'll go to my little monitor here, and as you can see, we are hashing. Getting about 360 mega hashes on this rig. 3080 Ti, 3070 Ti, two 3070 Founders, and an A2000. We are right at the 90% rule, because that is the server power supply, so it can't handle more on the 120. So I can't put any more cards on this rig unless I move out to my garage in 240, which probably wouldn't be till the winter. It's too hot right now in Arizona. So, but to let you guys know about the giveaway, okay, you need to leave a positive comment about GPU risers down in the comments down below. There's two giveaways in this video. There's the one for the HeroMiners, which is totally separate, and then this one that I'm giving away myself. So leave a comment down in the comments about the GPU risers and about their products, and leave a positive comment. And then also what will happen is on Monday, so today's Friday, so on Monday I will do a YouTube short, pick the winner. And what you need to do is you'll have to DM me your Ethereum address, and I will take this rig and mine to it for 24 hours. I will do this for 4 weeks in a row, where I will mine to somebody's address for 1 day with this rig. I'm giving away my personal hash rate here for 24 hours. So once again, leave a comment down below about GPU risers and what you like about them. And guys, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.